Welcome back to the Oliver 770 Farm Boy. We are trained professionals. Don't try this at home. Don't goddamn!
Put this on camera. There's no monkey. All I got's a shovel all by myself. Putting in pipe. It's always a shitty job, let me tell you that. That shovel there, it hurts your wrist to run that shovel. I'm just kidding, I got an excavator. Oh. Putting in some drainage pipe. The joys, the fun. Yay. Well, I'll get some video around that. Everybody likes some good videos of some hoes. So, yeah. This is what I'm doing right now. I just want to show y'all. I'm doing this down here all day by myself. By myself. Digging. I've used the Mexican backhoe more than anything. But, yeah. Well, that's where we're at.
guys are watching a struggle bus today.
Well, we'll be back when we're done cussing. You didn't video putting it on.
I don't think they wanted to hear that whatsoever. That was, yeah. I don't think I want to talk about it. I really don't think I want to.
What did the backbone do this time that fucked up? What happened? What'd you do?
I broke the pen. Actually, I'll show you the pen. That's just laying right here. Get it in the daylight here. Snapped her off clean. Jump.
It's dark. I don't have light, so I can't move it to the other farm.
That'd be a tomorrow project.
You got here when it was dark.
I'm gonna get off early tomorrow.
You want to tell them where we're going Wednesday?
The National Farm Machinery Show.
Where's it at?
Oh my God, there's 2 orange cats. Call for
Louisville.
right now.
Alright, after we had to pause the video.
Because you got a phone call. But we're going to Louisville, Kentucky to the National Farm Machinery Show. We're going to go down there, and if you guys want to come visit, say hi.
He's going to be wearing a sombrero.
But we'll be down there somewhere, walking around. We're going to be ordering some filters and probably buying a lot of stuff. Like
I'm
stuff
not.
we can't afford.
Oh my God. I broke something.
It'll be alright. But we're still needing paint on this project and tires.
I'm more worried about a bed.
Hey, I did find a service bed.
You gonna buy it?
We were going to talk about that off camera.
Mm-hmm.
Because he actually messaged me back with what I wanted to know.
What I want to know is that's not factory. I did that actually. See this little thingy here? That thing broke on me a long time ago and I ain't got a nut down there. I got that there. It's amazing what you can do with a piece of 1/2-inch steel. Might be White Ride's crooked.
Well, I guess they can know about it. It doesn't matter. There's a bed in Kentucky, $300.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Needs a little work.
Oh yeah, a little work, yeah, more work.
So, we can talk about the rest of it later.
I have a feeling we might as well just go full Kentuckian on this and build a wooden bed on it. Line toolboxes down the side and let it rot out.
Yeah. That'd be awesome.
Oh my God, there's a hole in my frame. Is that factory?
Mm-hmm. Because there's one on your side.
Oh.
Actually, I only see one, and that's the slide roof over there.
Are you doing that with your pointer finger?
Mm-hmm.
I bet you can't do it with the other pointer hand. Yep, but definitely not a finger in the hole.
Can you see it?
He has problems with that getting his finger in the hole now.
Nope, I'm right-handed, boys.
Oh my.
But we're getting off subject here.
I'm not.
Yeah, where's that other one at?
Where? Well, obviously it was an option.
But we're gonna be down there for the day. We're probably gonna film, or he is.
Yeah, I'm gonna look retarded walking around my phone. Do, 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 do.
And
Here, sell them that. Let's see your advertisement here.
all right, guys, this is a. We gotta get the rubber on it. Gotta make it look.
Gotta get the rubber on. Well, you ain't no good at that, are you?
Nope, don't use them. You know that for a fact. All right, guys.
That's why he's only here every other week. So you don't know how to use rubbers. Anywho.
Got a good fuel pump here. God. All right, we got us.
We're going to get demonetized, or whatever that's called. We're going to get kicked off of YouTube.
We got a good fuel pump here. Came off a 02 2500 HD here.
Ah.
What did I do wrong?
We'll try and repeat your sentence again.
A 2500 HD.
You got that right.
It came off a Chevy's Silverado 2500 HD.
Yeah, the other part you didn't say you got wrong.
What did I say? I'm gonna have to watch it now just to figure out what I said. But it's a good fuel pump. Pumps. It runs. It always ran.
It'll get you to church on Sunday.
$25. Somebody come buy it. I'll just eat that, but Oh. Did you see that?
Yeah, I don't understand how there's rust in the tank when it's a plastic tank, but hey.
Oh, we got fuel coming out. Shouldn't have made it that hard.
And can you guys believe that I've got a 2005 1500 Chevy sitting at my house? The fuel tank has a hole in it where the bands go underneath. You know they don't even make fuel tanks for these things? You can't buy them new. I'm sure there's some place out there, but easy. Yeah, there goes your $25. Obviously, in the state of Indiana, or this. Oh my lord!
Don't pull that.
The hose clamp is no longer attached. Obviously, you can't buy a fuel tank around here.
No, not. Person never messaged me back about that one. But
Are you gonna warn them all when you're down there to not yell "monkey" real loud because that could get them in trouble with other people?
I'm still trying to figure out the dude that messaged me on TikTok. If you're watching this, give me a name. Or if you see me on here, it'd be like YouTube. Don't just say hi, monkey. Then
It's your secret
how
admirer.
are you doing?
It's your secret admirer.
And don't message back. That's kind of a sketchy deal. But you guys see us down there, just walk up to us and say hi.
Walk up to him.
Why, you scared?
I'm not a people person.
Guys, just come up and say hi. I'll ask you your name and we'll just sit there and talk for a few minutes.
Well, you do that and I'll go find me a sandwich.
A sandwich and something else?
No, I gave up drinking. And at $5 a pop, I don't think I'd be drinking too many of them.
No.
I bet the way, if you watched Ross's video, how everything has went up in price, I bet them things have went up.
Oh, I don't even want to know. At all. Don't. But we're still figuring out whose truck we're going to take. We're going to take the old Duramax
I got 2 reasons why we should take yours.
or take mine.
I have 2 good reasons why we should take yours. 3, actually. First one, if it breaks down, it ain't my problem. 2, no one's going to steal anything out of the bed of your truck. I got all the tools of mine. And 3, then you can pay the bridge toll.
Yeah, thanks. Oh.
How many years have I taken you?
Don't even.
I think it's
We're
your.
not doing
It's your turn.
about it.
It's your turn to get the toll. You can get the pole from the government.
Yeah, and I got to pay our way in.
I'll give you what was $10. I'm sure this year's $20.
I hope not. That'd be stupid. But we'd be down there. Come say hi. I ain't scared to talk to you like he is. Once he gets to know you, it'll be different.
Still think you should wear a sombrero.
I thought about going out and buying a cowboy hat.
Oh God. We can't. Oh God.
That's taking us back to the old
Oh
days.
God. Oh
We ain't
God.
gonna go into that detail.
Oh God. Yeah, if you see us at the farm show, I'll tell you that story. Him with a cowboy hat is just. Oh my God. There's something happened and we can't relay that on videos of where we were at. But oh my
'cause
God.
we get demonetized.
I guess that's what it's called. I've never even got a warning on here.
I'm kind of surprised with all the dumb stuff we do. I about just said the S word, but yep, that's where we're at now. We're gonna move the excavator tomorrow, and I don't know if he's gonna start knocking down trees or start building. You got some of this on a surprise or not?
No.
Or if
We
he's
got
gonna
fixed tile holes too.
start fixing tile holes or
It's your turn. It's your turn to run a shovel. The beginning of this video's got me running a shovel.
running a big hole.
No, it's got me literally running a literally shovel.
But we're gonna fix tile holes down there, take the tree line out, and we're gonna build a pond in the woods whenever this summer when we start doing a cattle fence. That's gonna be fun. But that's where we're at. And we'll see you all tomorrow when it's daylight. Or he will. He'll probably see you first. He'll probably start the video like always. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and a like. And we will catch y'all on the next one. Hold on one second. I just remembered this.
Oh, God.
I'm trying to think of his name that said I was going to be the backbone of...
I don't know. And I've seen it. I know who you're talking about.
I am too lazy for that stuff. I'm not going to go every farm and be the backbone now. All I do over there is wash equipment and work on it. I'm not the backbone. Here,
Ow.
when I'm not here, he
Eyeball.
still does stuff. I don't do stuff here when I'm not here.
You're so dumb.
So just calm down on the backbone. You're making them upset. I'm just kidding.
I don't care.
I know you don't. It's kind of funny reading them though. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks. God darn it.
We're going to have 11 minutes of your brain over there backfiring. Since you keep screwing up, you know what the bright thing is?
What?
I stay behind the camera, so when we're down at the farm show, no one in the world is going to know who I am.
Actually, you've been on camera a couple
So
times.
if someone walks up to you, I can start speaking Spanish and walk away, and they'll never know who I am.
You guys have got to go back a couple videos and watch and see actually who he was. The last video's got a minute.
No, I shave my hair. I'm going to shave my beard. And I'll grow a mustache. In 2 days, I'm going to grow a mustache.
You already got a mustache.
I'll grow a bigger one.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will catch you all on the next one.